Are you eligible for a green card if you join the military? This is a question I get asked all the time. In this video, we'll talk about this and other options for you to get a green card by joining the military. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Immigration Channel. This is where we explain complex immigration matters in short, simple videos. We make immigration easy. And in this video, we'll talk about whether you can get a green card, not citizenship, by joining the military. We all know that if you join the military and you already have a green card, you could get your citizenship much faster. But in this video, I want to talk about how to actually get a green card by joining the military. Before we do that, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos, and also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with your immigration matters, send me a text 619-483-4549. So let's talk about military and getting a green card. Now, over the past, quite a few foreign nationals who were here on visas and even undocumented were able to get green cards by joining the military. There was a program that now no longer exists, which was called MAVNI. And under this program, the military could choose certain immigrants with certain language skills or other requirements to join the military, specifically during war times and other situations where the US government needed certain immigrants who speak certain languages and have certain information. Now, this program at the moment is not active, it's frozen, but it might be reactivated again because of the conflict that we have right now between the Palestinians and Israelis and what's happening in the region. The MAVNI program might come back next year. Of course, we'll keep you posted, but for the moment, it doesn't exist. Now, this program at the moment is not active, it's frozen, but it might be reactivated again because of the conflict that we have right now between the Palestinians and Israelis and what's happening in the region. The MAVNI program might come back next year. Of course, we'll keep you posted, but for the moment, it doesn't exist. But under this program, the military can choose immigrants who are currently on visas here and even undocumented, get them to join the military, and once they serve and get discharged honorably, are able to get green cards. Now let's talk about other options without the MAVNI program. There's another loophole that most people are not aware is if the United States has an agreement with your country, with your foreign country, that under this agreement, it permits citizens of your country to enlist in the US Army. And those are specifically for Army members from foreign nations. If you served at least 12 years in your country's Army, and your country has an agreement with the US government that they'll be able to take on foreign service members, you might be eligible for this opportunity. Haven't served for 12 years, but you're currently in the military and you already have 6 years of service, you may also be eligible for this program. Now remember, you have to be with a clean record, no criminal issues, honorable service in your Army, and you must have a recommendation from a high-ranking officer in your unit to support your request to join the US Army. Now, it's a very broad opportunity. It's not happening very often, but it is possible. The US government might need experts specifically in special units, special forces from other armies, and those people that join these operations might eventually get a green card because of their service. Again, it's not for everyone, but it's possible, and I wanted to make this video to explain how you can go from a non-immigrant by joining the military and getting a green card. Now, if you already have a green card, you can get your citizenship much faster if you enlist in the service and be able to get your citizenship much faster by serving in the US Army. Once again, hopefully this information is helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. As always, if I can help you with your immigration matters, text me 619-483-4549. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.